You got a Gatorade.
There's just a major earthquake right now. Buildings have fallen down. It smells like gas. There's gas. We need to get out of here. We're trying to move to a safe area. We barely got out of our building.
Sin celulares, sin cigarros.
I saw people being pulled out of buildings that collapsed. This is much more severe than the one that we experienced last week. Wait, just wait. Are you okay, Christian?
I'm fine.
Me and Christian and our family is okay. We got out of our building. There's a lot of collapsed buildings and a lot of hurt people. I don't really know where exactly to go because it smells like gas everywhere. Oh my God, I'm shaking.
Sigue tomando, güey.
Cayó la mueblería, ¿no?
Sí, se cayó la mueblería.
Is there anything stuck in your foot?
Little one piece of glass.
Did you get it out?
Yeah.
Oh my God, thank God. Thank God we got out of our building.
We feel like safe.
Oh my God, all the windows in the front of our building are broken. The front of our building fell off. You can see down here we moved from this. We moved from this area over here. There's a building down. I don't know if you can see it. It's over there. There's people trapped inside.
The streets are messed up. Look at that.
They're advising us to move from this area, but it smells better over here than it did where we were previously.
You guys record when it was shaking?
She was on. Apenas llegué a la casa yo, estaba Christian solito. And good thing I got home.
You okay, Christian? Yeah. You're not that scared?
You got bloody a little bit. You got scared. Hold on, man.
You look good and shit.
Yeah, I fell down the stairs.
I see some guys just walking and shit.
Oh my God, that was horrifying.
And I didn't have my shoes on yet because I was running down the stairs and I stepped on some glass. You know what sucked? It made it hard to get down the stairs. Mom, you know the pots that are upstairs? The pots that are upstairs.
That shit was crazy.
Oh my God.
This airplane went like this, bro, like the terremoto like that. I feel the fucking floor. I thought it was a bus. You know, trailer passing through. That she went like this. Holy shit. Like, this is my brother's car. That shit was like,
I was only feet away from that building that fell when it fell. I'm still in shock. I don't even know what to do right now. I don't think our building is even safe to go back to. All the windows are broken. I don't know what we do right now.
I'm trying to call my kids, bro. My kids at school.
Wow, that's crazy.
If
I so I took an, me and my dad took an extra like, I need to stop it. Me and my dad took like an extra 5 seconds to like,